That's perfect. Do you have enough? Okay, go ahead.
And squirt it?
Squirt on there very slowly, just drop little bits.
Oh my gosh. That's...
Go ahead. Put more in there. All right, get more.
Get more of this?
Go ahead and squirt it all in.
Jeez. That's weird.
Don't breathe it in.
Wait, really? Can I breathe it in?
It's carbon dioxide.
So, no?
Well, you don't want to breathe it.
Hello, I'm Dr. Shu, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna dump this type of chemical into each of these tubes.
And what have you done here? What's in those tubes? Baking soda, and then what colors?
Well, we have baking soda at the bottom. We have red, yellow, and blue.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this
Vinegar.
with our left hand and drag it across. Not like just dump the whole thing in, then you don't have any of the rest for that. Just drag it across, and then they will blow up at the same time like a volcano.
Okay.
Oh my god!
More.
No, I'm out.
You want to do it again?
Yeah. Oh my lord. That's like alcohol. Dude. Awesome.
3.
Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
All right, so what are you doing?
Putting this in an equal amount.
And what is that?
It is flour.
No, baking
Powder.
baking soda.
Baking soda. Ew. What? Oh,
Nice.
the red didn't go up.
No, it did. The red did go.
Really? Dude, there's green.